Hey everybody, Ryan B here with Practical Forex Trading. We're looking at gold versus the US dollar today. This is the weekly chart. This goes back to 2007. Let me get my, there we go. 2007 all the way to current, and we see, of course, over time, this has done nothing but go up. So let's go ahead and see what's been going on. So we see here near term, if we talk about recent history, we see a horizontal support here at 1700. That's proven by, that was the old ceiling back in 2011, 2012. Now we can see gold has punched through that level and has tested the support at 1675, 1700, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times now, making this a pretty valid support line. So let's see, there is a little bit of a recent trend. So let's go ahead and zoom in on the daily. We can see prices is kind of going sideways, but it has picked off the bottom of this floor. So we see minor support here at 1725. Let me go ahead and mark that out. So price has jumped out of that channel down here and moved back above. So now we're waiting for a trend to form. This uptrend is going to need to become something and actually start to take shape. It's going to have some near-term resistance. So we can see this short 1 hour trend line, or maybe 4 hour trend line coming down. So look for gold to struggle a little bit probably this week as it tries to punch through this trend line, and we see some minor resistance right above it at 1800. So I do believe that gold will eventually pop into this other channel. See, this descending trend line's insanely steep angle, which means it's not going to hold, right? So we look for trend lines. We really want something, a really gradual slope. So if we were to take, for example, if we were to take this chart, let me go back out to the weekly. We look at this and say, okay, what's the most gradual, even though this is a pretty steep chart, we still see a long-term gradual sloping line. So this angle, while it is steep still, obviously compared to this one, this is like a mountain, right? So that's not going to last. So what we can do is we can take that really deep support line, that trend line, and clone it. I like to clone my trend lines and find the parallel channels. And we can do this. We can see now that price is really kind of riding on this channel here. So I anticipate maybe, I'm thinking gold could stay in this price zone, so you might be able to get some good buying for the next, I don't know, through 2024 before it takes off again and does another retest of 2000. So that was weekly analysis for gold versus US dollar. Hope everyone has a great week trading. Talk soon. Bye.